Okay, so next we're going to talk about condensing. Often when we solve logs, we need to condense into one log, and so this is how you do it. We're going to use these properties. Notice the left side is the condensed side and the right side is the expanded side. So anytime you're trying to go to one side, you're going to try to go this direction. All right, so let's start off with an example. 3 times the log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of y over 2 plus log base 4 of z over 2. Okay, remember what dividing by 2 is the same thing as. Before you start, let's get rid of that division because it's going to make things difficult. So I'm just going to rewrite this as 3 log base 4 of x plus 1/2 times log base 4 of y plus 1/2 times log base 4 of z. Now we're trying to condense. We have these pesky little numbers in front, and so we're going to use the power property and we're going to move those numbers up to the exponent. So let's get a different color, make life fun. So we'll take this 3 and it goes here. We'll take this 1/2 and it goes there, and this guy is going to go over here. So let's write log base 4 of x cubed plus log base 4 of y to the 1/2 plus log base 4 of z to the 1/2 power. Okay, everybody good?
Oh, yeah.
All right, good. All right, so now we've got 3 different logs, all with the same bases. You can only condense if you have the same base. And they're all being separated by an addition sign. How do we condense logs when they're being added together?
Oh, Ms. Robertson, we condense them by multiplying each variable together.
So we're going to write it as one single log with the common base. And then we're just going to take these guys and multiply them all together. So this would be x cubed, y to the 1/2, and z to the 1/2. Really, this is fine. But if you want to be really good, what is raising something to the 1/2 power actually doing?
Well, that's your power over root. That would just be the same as taking the square root of y and z.
So instead of writing it like this, I could write both y and z under the square root. They're both to the power of 1. I don't need to write a 1, but I could if I wanted. And this is the most beautiful form right here. And isn't that pretty?
That's wonderful.
Okay, so should we do one more?
Sure.
Okay, we're going to condense these logs, make our logs smaller. It's always fun.
Oh, Miss Robertson.
Ooh, see, we stay up here late, working hard for y'all, and we get delirious. Okay, so in all seriousness. Okay, here we go. 2 log base 3 of A plus 3 log base 3 of B minus 4 log base 3 of C. Okay, here we go. The number in front, we use our property right here, and the number in front goes to a power. So this 2, this 3, and this 4 are all going to be moved up here as exponents right here. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite those as log base 3 of A squared plus log base 3 of B cubed. I'm taking that number and moving it there. Minus log base 3 of C to the 4th power. Now I can combine all of these in one because they all have the same base. So I'm going to write one log with the common base, and now how do we combine? This plus means I can combine this guy and this guy.
By multiplying them.
Yes. So we're going to say A squared times B cubed, and then this minus right here means what am I going to do with this C to the 4th?
Divide.
C to the 4th power. And there is your answer.
So pretty.
Bibbidi bobbidi.